August is National Black Business Month, and we're celebrating by giving you the tools to work smarter, not harder. Introducing the Learn and Earn with AI Workshop Series, your shortcut to saving time, attracting more customers, and boosting your sales, even if you're brand new to AI. In just 45 minutes per session, you'll learn how to start using AI in your business without tech stress, how to automate daily tasks and reclaim your time, and how to create marketing that actually sells in minutes, not hours. These sessions are designed for busy entrepreneurs and small business owners who want results they can see immediately. Pick your session or join all three. August 21st, Getting Started with AI. August 27th, AI for Productivity, and September 4th, AI for Marketing. No fluff, no overwhelm, just practical step-by-step training. Space is limited, so reserve your spot now and let's grow your business with AI. Click the link to register.